Have you ever been deep into coding, only to be interrupted by an unexpected error? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? If you're facing the HTTP load failed error on iOS 11, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel this issue and get you back on track. I completely understand how annoying it is when your app throws an error right when you need it to work. You're not alone in this. Many developers have encountered this specific error code, and it can leave you scratching your head. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user recently reported, "I'm using URL session to perform a data task, and I keep getting the error, HTTP load failed with error code 999. Sound familiar? If so, let's explore this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing this error? The HTTP load failed error code in 999 often indicates that a request was canceled, which can happen for various reasons. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand what's going on. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this error in the future. To address the HTTP load failed error code -999, the user should first check if the URL session task is being canceled. This error often occurs when a task is canceled before it completes. Next, the user should verify the URL being used in the URL session. An incorrect or malformed URL can lead to this error. Make sure the URL is valid and properly formatted. The user should also consider the network conditions. If the network is unstable or if there are connectivity issues, this can trigger the error. Testing on a different network may help. Additionally, the user can implement error handling in their URL session delegate methods. This will help capture and log any errors that occur during the data task. Finally, if the issue persists, the user should check for any updates to iOS or the libraries being used. Sometimes bugs in the operating system or libraries can cause unexpected behavior. Fun fact, did you know that the first web browser was created in 1990? It was called World Wide Web, and it was a far cry from the sleek apps we use today. Technology has come a long way. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user encountered the HTTP load failed error when working with HTTPS. They discovered that the request was canceled before it could complete due to an improperly installed SSL certificate. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. One user suggests checking your internet connection. They experienced the error on their iPhone SE, even though it worked fine in the simulator. The issue was due to a problem with the internet connection on their device. Here's the tip I promised. Always handle your URL session tasks carefully. Properly managing your requests can save you from encountering this error in the future. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to tackle the HTTP load failed error code 999 effectively. Remember, careful management of your tasks is key. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into URL session best practices.